Mân Thái Night Fish Market, one of the last two ancient fishing villages in Da Nang, preserves the rustic coastal lifestyle. While the city is still asleep, Mân Thái Fishing Village awakens to a new day. From boats just returning to shore, fresh shrimp, squid, and fish are displayed on humble bamboo trays. The calls of vendors blend with the sound of waves and the familiar bargaining, creating a unique dawn symphony of the sea. Amid the pace of modern life, Mân Thái Fish Market preserves its rustic charm, where every visitor leaves with not only fresh seafood, but also the taste of the ocean and the warmth of coastal hearts.